Hey guys, JgarGaming here. I haven't uploaded for like 6 months now, and you probably clicked on this video if you're a subscriber of mine. You're like, oh look, JgarGaming made a new amazing video. The title is microwave popcorn, and then you instantly regret subscribing to the channel. Don't unsubscribe.
So, popcorn. Everyone loves popcorn. You go to the movies, buy some popcorn for 8 times the price they paid for it. What a deal. But what if there was another option, an easy way to make this buttery heaven without expensive equipment? Introducing microwave popcorn. This stuff is great, but how was it created? It all started in 1945, where Percy Spencer accidentally discovered the heating effect of a microwave beam or magnetron when he noticed a chocolate bar in his pocket began to melt while working on it. Soon after that, he made the first microwave popcorn ever. 2 years later, Raytheon released the first commercially available microwave to the public. It weighed over 600 pounds. It was messy, but things kept getting better for the microwave. Until one day, when everyone turned their backs on the holy creation and said that the food made in it was bad for you. Anyways, what about microwave popcorn itself? Well, I prefer the Aldi brand of popcorn, known as Clancy's popcorn, because it's cheap and delicious. Act 2 is one of the more gourmet brands of microwave popcorn. We've all heard of it, but we all know it's microwave popcorn. There's nothing fancy or gourmet about it. And that's the story of microwave popcorn.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to show someone else that you think would be interested to show them my content. Subscribe so you can get notified when I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye, and see ya. No.